Good morning, good afternoon, good night, friendly. This is Tux Paint Monday. Let's start drawing and have a fun time. Today, I want to draw a happy face. A happy girl face. First, I will roughly draw some circles to determine where the forehead, the face, the eyes, and the nose are. I will put a line in the middle of the face. This line helps me to see where I should put the eyes and the nose. Usually, I like to draw big eyes, and I will put them around here. Then the nose. Then I will draw the mouth. Ears should be put at the same level of the eyes, roughly like that. As I say, this is a happy face, so we should put a big smile on her face. Let's pick the gray color to draw the actual outline of the eyes. I also like to draw 3 eyelashes. Then we should draw the eyeball like this. The nose and the big smile. We also outline the face and the ears with the gray color. We move on to draw the detail of the eyes. Use the color picker to pick a color for the hair. First, we just put a curve on the forehead. We put in 2 more curved lines to finish the head. I mean the top of the head. Then we use the eraser to erase part of the curve you see here. Then we use the paintbrush tool to close the gap like this. We also draw the hair at the back of our head like this. Remember, we should make sure we close all the gaps before we can fill in any color. Now, we color the face with the same color we used to draw the rough outline. So, no one can see our rough outline anymore. I fill in the mouth with a pink color. Click on the dropper to pick the same color as the hair. Now we color her hair. With the paintbrush tool, I want to draw the highlight area of her hair. I want to show you one magic tool. That is the cartoon tool. It can give us a comic-like effect. Also, I want to show you the color shift tool. You may find it useful in some cases, but not this time. I choose purple as the background color, and I use pink to draw her shoulder. Oops! There should be a gap somewhere. Where is it? Maybe here? I think. We get this. I like to put a rainbow in front of the happy face. She sees the rainbow, that's why she smiles. Let me try the XOR effect. G-I-R-L, girl. Of course, I have to write down happy face as well. If you like today's drawing, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm so happy that you watched till the end. See you next time. Bye bye.